Hello there. Today, we're going to simplify the process of creating a one-product pack bundle, a fantastic way to boost sales. Select your product, and in the quantity field, increase it to at least 2. After adding products, click Next Step and set up a discount. Here, you can set the discount for your bundle. Choose from sale price, fixed discount, Shopify discounts, or percentage. Specify bundle name and other details. For a bundle with its own page, you can create an image in the app or add multiple images and other information in the Shopify product menu. You can also choose how you want your bundle to appear in the cart and at checkout. Take a look at individual widget settings. Fill in the custom property field if you need the client to provide additional information for the product. Once everything is set, just click Create and take a look at the result. You've just mastered creating a one-product pack bundle. Happy selling!